How to fix this person isn't available on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can fix if it says the person is unavailable on Messenger. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Messenger application and find the person that says it's unavailable. So let's say if I just head over to this profile right here, it doesn't say so, but what you basically have to do is go to the chat where it says it's unavailable on Messenger, tap on the profile icon at the top, then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find restrict, tap on it, and then what you want to do is the person has been restricted. Now if you go back, as you can see here, you cannot find the chat anywhere on your inbox. All you have to do next is go over to menu, and from there tap on settings. Scroll down until you find privacy and safety. Then scroll all the way to the bottom until who can reach you. Tap on restricted accounts, tap on that profile, and then tap on continue to unrestrict this person. Now tap on unrestrict, and then you should be able to message this person. If not, they most probably have blocked you on Messenger, so that's why you're not able to contact them. But in that case, there's nothing you can do. In most of the cases, you can just restrict and unrestrict them, and the messaging option will open itself up. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.